My name's Dave Ward, and I'm very excited today to talk to you about Beachbody On Demand, show you how to log in, how to access all the content, etc., etc. This is a dramatic, dramatic increase in the way we access these programs from when I started. I have been a Beachbody coach for 11 years now, but I've been a Beachbody customer for 15 years. That's a third of my life that I've been press and play using Beachbody as my primary solution for my own health and fitness. It's almost 15 years actually to the week when my business partner Monica ordered a little program called Power 90 from a guy named Tony Horton, and we got some VHS tapes and put them in a VCR and started working out. And here we are with basically the Netflix of fitness that I'm about to show you, which is so exciting. So let's talk a little bit about it. First, how do you get there? Well, you just go to beachbodyondemand.com. You can also access this through Team Beachbody. I'll show you that really quickly. Through Team Beachbody, so if you're logged into your account, maybe you're shopping for something or you're trying to find some other information, you can just click on Demand. It's going to just take you right back to beachbodyondemand.com. So you may as well just start there. That's what I always do. Then you want to log in. You'll see the login information here. Now, I'm assuming that you already have a Beachbody account. If you don't, then you want to talk to your coach about getting an account. If you don't have a coach, talk to me, and I can help you set that up. A couple things about how the coaching program works. There's no cost for the coaching program. The coaching program is essentially baked into the cost of your supplements or your BOD membership or whatever. That's how we get compensated. There's no separate cost to you. You're going to pay the same price whether you sign up for a Beachbody On Demand, I keep calling it BOD, a BOD membership with a coach or without one. And you're going to get a coach anyway. So you may as well find somebody that you like and connect with, and it can really help you with this thing. So once you're logged in, here we are on Beachbody On Demand. You can see this is a really easy navigation tool here. If I just kind of scroll down, first of all, I'm going to see featured programs. These are going to change, and I should just say that really quickly as well. This is all going to change because it's a constantly evolving system. And the original system we had was not quite as user-friendly. Then we made some upgrades. Then we made some more upgrades. Today, we actually added this nutrition tab, which I'm going to focus on and show you a little bit what's in there. Featured programs are going to change. There's new stuff. We launch new programs every 4 to 6 months. So just kind of expect to see that. Come down. There's some more articles and things like that. But I really like to navigate using these menus up here. So the first thing is workouts, right? So if you just hover over workouts, what you get if you're just getting started with this thing, and if you're working with a coach, you should have a pretty good idea where you're going already. I mean, if you're working with me, we're going to figure out a program for you before you ever get in here so I can direct you to something. But if you're just in here and you're playing around, or you're maybe getting a little bored with the workout, you finished a workout, you want to start something else, you can come in here and just kind of figure out, you know, are you a 60 to 90 minute person? I'm personally not most of the time. Are you a 30-minute person? Well, do you like dance workouts, or are you looking for more of a muscle building thing? You know, you can also, if we get in here and click on that, right, you can also sort by trainer. So I mentioned Tony Horton. Tony Horton's kind of my spirit animal, if you will. And so I like Tony's workouts. If I select Tony, it's just going to pull up all of his workouts, which is great. Or maybe I want Autumn Calabrese and Tony's workouts, right? Because I like both of them. This is going to give me all the workouts by these guys. One thing I want to highlight really quickly is Beachbody Yoga Studio. Beachbody Yoga Studio is fantastic if you're looking for, I do yoga about once a week, and there's a zillion different workouts in here. I'll show you really quickly why that is the case. There's stuff from 3-Day Refresh Yoga. It's from all these different programs that are out there. So for example, with Flow, probably going to see things like newer workouts, and then X3 yoga, X2 yoga, original P90X, 92 minutes of hard yoga, right? That's what's in the yoga studio. It's a place where they bring all the workouts together. If that makes sense, which I think is really fantastic. So let's just select, you know, let's just say, okay, I've decided, you know, hopefully you're working with your coach. Again, I'm going to emphasize that as we go. 21-day fix is your workout. So you click on that, and what you'll see here are all the workouts, and then you go, well, okay, great, there's all the workouts. Which one do I do today? That's where your program materials comes in. So you can look up, and there's PDFs here for the starting guide, right? There's PDFs here that are going to help you calculate your calories. What do you know? There's a calendar. So you can go in here. I'll just click on this one as an example. And you can print this up. And this is your calendar for the 21-day fix. Pop this thing on your refrigerator and start crossing off days as you get going, okay? There's also nutrition information in here. The food list you need. Your eating plan. Whatever it is that you're doing, every program that you're going to find in here has these program materials that are in here. So I want to really highlight that. So a lot of times people go in here and they just see the videos and they kind of go, okay, that's great. What about the program materials? You can print all of this stuff up, okay? So that's how you access the workouts. Let's go back to the home page really quickly. It's really pretty simple to navigate, honestly. The next one, and what I really want to show you here today, is the nutrition tab. The nutrition tab is new for us just today, actually, which is one of the reasons that I filmed this, because things changed a little bit, so I thought I'd refilm it. So if we go into the nutrition tab, what you see here are a couple different things. And again, I would expect more content in here than probably what I'm showing you, because we're constantly adding content. I'll talk about 2B Mindset in just a second. If you scroll down, though, there's a couple things that I think are really cool. One is Fixate. Fixate is a cooking show that Autumn Calabrese does. Really fantastic. You see there's 205 videos in here. Okay, 205 videos that are going to teach you how to make food. A lot of them are these foundational videos. There's meal prep videos. There's all these recipes. So you can basically just go in here and go, okay, blueberry maple muffins. How could that possibly be healthy? But that looks really good. You click on it and it takes a second, and then
today we are making blueberry maple muffins that won't ruin all your hard work in the gym.
It's going to give you a recipe for how to make blueberry maple muffins. I might need to save that one because that looks pretty good. So you get the idea of how this whole Fixate thing works, which is a really fantastic resource that, again, is here under the Nutrition tab. The other thing new under the Nutrition tab is, there we go, is the Shakeology channel. So under our Shakeology channel, again, we got a ton of videos. What this is really designed to do, if you're not familiar with Shakeology, there are resources in here for you to become familiar with what Shakeology is and why you might want to take it. So let's say you've been working out, for a while and you're wondering what is all this noise about Shakeology. This is where you can go to figure all that stuff out. It's also going to introduce you to some of the creators, Isabel Deichler and Darren O'Lean, and then give you a lot of recipes. Again, here's Chris Downing, and here's his favorite recipe. You just click on that. It takes a second to load. My connection's a little slow today.
Welcome to the kitchen, nutrition time. I'm Chris Downing, here to introduce to you Downingology, my favorite Shakeology drink.
That's funny, Downingology. So you get the idea, right? This is a really, really easy resource to navigate and help you. A lot of people like their Shakeology really sort of exotic, I'll call it, exotic Shakeology. I'm a little bit of a boring Shakeology guy. I like a packet of Shakeology, tropical vegan, or tropical vegan is my favorite. Tropical strawberry vegan. And I usually put like a banana and some strawberries in it just to get the carb count up there. That's because I eat it for breakfast and that's how I start. Let's go back. Okay, I want to touch really quickly on 2B Mindset. You're going to see this here and you may be tempted to click on 2B Mindset. And it is a standalone program. So I just want to explain how this works really quickly. 2B Mindset is unlike any other program that we have in that it's really just a nutrition-based program. Exercise is considered to be extra credit in the 2B Mindset. You can see Alana there. I'll just do that thing. Exercise is extra credit. And so this is really a program that is just focused on super healthy eating. It's also a standalone program. And it's also a program, I should say, I've been doing this program for almost 2 months now. I've lost 12 pounds. I've kind of got a shoulder injury, and so I haven't really been able to really kill it on my workouts. And this has helped me so much, and I'm a huge, huge fan of it. But it is a standalone program. So if you have a BOD membership, you don't necessarily have a 2B Mindset membership, if that makes sense. And you could be somebody who does not have a BOD membership, but you have a 2B Mindset membership. You're still going to access it here at the same place. It's just a matter of whether when you hover over it, it has a lock on it, or it looks like this. And because I've just ordered it today, this is a product that was just released today. And again, I'm a huge fan of that. We can get into that and do another video. I mainly just wanted to show you how to access it. Another thing about the 2B Mindset's a little bit different than BOD as a standalone product is Beachbody On Demand is $99 a year for access to everything I'm showing you, right? Then there's going to be some early access things every time we launch a product. For the first 2-3 months, depending on the product, there's a fee you can pay and get early access to the product. If there's something you're super wild about, I said go for it. If it's not, just wait and be patient. It will appear in the BOD library along with everything else. It's just a matter of waiting a little time. 2B Mindset is not a 1-year subscription. Once you get the 2B Mindset, you're actually going to get a box in the mail, unlike BOD. You get a box in the mail that's going to have recipes, a tracker that you use to track your food every day, a water bottle, and I think just a getting started guide. And then you'll have access to all of this information, which is all the videos that Alana puts out in perpetuity, you know, basically. So instead of having a 1-year access to it, it's just a little bit different sort of a program. So that's 2B Mindset. That's our new nutrition tab. That's how you access all this stuff. On Demand, in my opinion, has become exceptionally easy to figure out. But I think the biggest thing is really to work with a coach. And the reason to work with a coach is so you don't have to kind of do a lot of guesswork or, you know, think, well, I'm a beginner and I like a 60-minute workout and I, you know, low impact. You're still like, even if you just sort of chose that, let's just look at what happens when I say I'm a beginner on a 60-minute workout. Oh, it didn't filter it that way, did it? Let's just say, okay, I'm a 60-minute workout. My fitness level is beginner and I like cardio. Let's see how many workouts I get. I've still got quite a few there to choose from. And I'm telling you, if you clear beginner and instead you enter, just kind of vamping here, intermediate or intermediate advanced, I'm kind of surprised by that. I thought we would get way more. I bet if I picked 30 minutes, now you're going to get a lot of workouts. The point being that if you work with a coach, this is a lot of what I do. I make sure people get into the right program for them. I sort of get to know them a little bit. We have some conversations about, and this is not just me, this is what coaches do. We have some conversations about what they like and who's going to resonate with them. For example, we have dance workouts, right? We have a hip hop dance workout. And let's see if it's on here. It may not come up because it's not. We have a country line dancing workout. Those are for very different people. They're both dancing workouts, right? But for very different people. So as we have that conversation, I can help you get directed to the program that I feel is going to really help you the most. And then as you start it, if you don't like it, let your coach know. If I'm your coach, let me know, and we'll get you into another one. Because we have, at this time that I'm filming this, which is May 2nd of 2018, I think there's 35 workouts in here, but we release them every 4 or 5 months. So, you know, when you watch this, there might be 40 workouts in here. That's a lot to choose from. It's really easy to get overwhelmed, and a coach can really help you navigate this stuff. So there you go. There's your tutorial with BOD and your new introduction to the nutrition tab, which I'm super excited about because I've had such great results with 2B Mindset. I'm really excited to bring this to people, and it's just been a really fun, exciting day as we change everything, and not change everything, but as we add stuff to it. So that's it for today. Have a fantastic day. Once again, if you need a coach, get in touch with me. I will help you.